Hello everybody, welcome back, and today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel Expedia flight bookings. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that purpose, it's a really simple method for you all. What you can do is you can simply go ahead and launch any phone browser that you have available in your mobile phone. Once your browser, go ahead, open it up over there. So you can see right there I'm in my browser and I have search expedia.com, and here I have logged in as well. So what you gotta do is you gotta do the same. Go ahead, open your browser and get signed in as well right there in this website. Once you do that, if you go to any of the options, you won't be able to find a particular cancellation option. For that purpose, you will be able to see this kind of help option given below right corner. Tap on that option. This will pop up your virtual agent for you, where you can do conversation. If you have any curiosity, you can have questions, you can go ahead, ask, and we'll get the solutions for it regarding Expedia. You can simply go ahead, tap on the see cancel options, and this agent will simply give you this option. So for that purpose, you will have to sign in, or you will have to enter your booking details. Simple. You have already done a booking, you would like cancel that, right? Go ahead, tap on this enter booking details, and you will enter, and this will ask the email and the contact number that you have used to book. Simply go ahead, enter that information. You will be able to cancel your flight, and if not, this virtual agent will provide you the needed steps of what you will have to do. So yes guys, this is how you can simply go ahead and execute it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.